I want you to imagine something. So imagine you are eating at a 5-star restaurant, but when it's time to pay, you realize that you forgot your ATM card in the bag that you carried a day before. At this point, you start thinking of who to call or how you're going to help the restaurant wash plates. But pause. Do not panic, because Verve Paycode to the rescue. So let me show you how it works. The next time you forget your Verve card and you want to make a withdrawal, just generate a pay code using your bank's mobile app or your bank's USSD code. For example, if you want to use your bank's USSD code, just dial the code. Now, in my case, it is *919#, but you can use any other code that your bank uses. Now, after that, follow the prompt and get to the part of cardless withdrawal, this part. Now, select it and enter your PIN and follow the other prompts. Now, once you're done, you'll be sent a message that has your pay code in it, and all you have to do is go to an ATM machine, select pay code, enter the number, and then your cash out PIN, and of course the amount. And just like that, you've made your first cardless withdrawal with Verve Paycode. Anyways, let me know if you knew about this before now, and guys, don't forget to share this with others.